friends, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make dal chawal, which is dal is lentil soup, or I don't know, lentils and rice. If Canada was to get quarantined with like the coronavirus and we're not supposed to leave, I think we could survive off of dal chawal because it's legit. They're like, they don't go bad, right mom? Mom's filming me today.
No.
So if anything's blurry, it's mom's fault. I want to show you guys how to make it. We're going to be making it with a pressure cooker because that's the easiest way, and plus I want to learn for myself, so mom has this set up for me. Okay, so let's start. So I got 3.5 cups of rice here. Our family eats a lot. I'm making it for, there's 5 of us, I think. And then we have a mixture of dal. So we have 1 cup of masoor dal and then ½ a cup of moong dal.
Yeah.
And so we mix these together?
Yeah, you can mix it.
Okay, and then we have 1 onion. We have a shortage of onions here, by the way, guys. Even the dal and rice yesterday, we had to go to like 3 different stores to find it, but it's fine. Then we have 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, like together, just 1 full tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of...
half teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of cumin. This looks like 1 teaspoon of salt. And this is 1 teaspoon of chili powder.
Yeah.
Red chili powder?
Yeah, red chili powder.
Okay. Now what? Now what do we do?
Now just...
First, we have to wash and soak both of these. So we're gonna go to the sink. Our sink's a little dirty. In lukewarm water, right?
Yeah.
Soak it up first. And then... how many times should we wash it?
3 times.
Wash it 3 times. And then we're just gonna let them soak to the side for a bit. And then you want to do the same thing with the rice also. Yeah. So wash it 3 times and then let it soak in lukewarm water. Technically we didn't leave the dal soaking for too long, so we just kind of washed it and left it. Now we're going to put all of this into the pressure cooker. Oh no. Ay. I washed my hands many times, okay? And plus, if one of us has the virus in the house, everyone has it at this point. So we all going down together. I don't know about you guys, but I like my dal to be like liquidy. Not thick dal. We need it to be like a runny consistency because that's how it tastes so good in the rice. And then you put a char and then you put raita. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna put more water. But how much more water?
Almost double.
All of it?
Yeah.
Shit. You guys can pick how much water you want, but I guess she's taking some out because you want it to be double the amount of water. I don't even know what to show you. Just put water in it and then just say Bismillah and put water in it, okay? My mom said that the reason that we're not soaking the dal for too long is because we're using a pressure cooker, so it's gonna cook a lot faster in the pressure cooker. But if you don't have a pressure cooker, then you have to soak it for longer, which
Half an hour.
For half an hour, apparently. But I don't know. I think, do you have a video on your channel with
that?
So go check mom's out. I'm just doing it for us young people. Get a pressure cooker. You can make nihari in this too. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of the ginger and garlic paste, ½ a teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 teaspoon of the red chili powder. So now we're gonna put it on high. So then you put the lid on. I've never worked a pressure cooker before, by the way.
Other way. Yeah.
Mom, hold on. I got it.
No, Lava. You have to put the grooves in. And then twist it. Other way, Lava.
Oh
yeah.
Okay.
And now.
Oh my god. And then?
And then lock it. Did you put it wrong way?
Oh, okay. There's a button you gotta lock it with. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
There. And then your pressure cooker will have, I guess, different like,
yeah,
knobs.
different thing.
So just follow that. So you want to lock it, and then you close the little steam. You close the little steam hole. We wait, and then we'll cut up an onion. What is the onion for?
Onion for piyaz.
Excuse me. First of all, I'm filming. Second of all,
what do you want?
Why are you wearing the same shirt as me?
What are you talking about? This is my shirt. Hey,
Sama, who copied who?
why are you wearing the same shirt as me?
Lane. Actually, I like them.
You know what? I got this
Yo,
one in.
this happened by accident though.
Why you don't get for Usama?
Justice.
No, this was for me. He got lucky.
Certain shirts are like better for boxing. I feel like they just.
Sama, your go-to coronavirus quarantine meal.
Dal chawal. Dal chawal.
Uzair claims that he hates dal chawal, but
I don't like dal chawal.
quarantine
Dal
meal.
chawal's not that good.
Your go-to quarantine meal.
It's good.
It's
Mom,
so
it's
delicious
so good.
with achar and raita.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's dal fry.
Okay,
No, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do
What's
it.
a better food? Mom will know.
Dal.
Okay, no, I'm talking about quarantine.
out.
You're quarantined for a month.
Okay, yeah, but okay. Here's
Alright
the thing.
then.
Here's the thing. Opio, dal, things that won't go bad and things that are
So then
really
dal
cheap.
chawal, just admit it.
Yo, dal is a superfood, low-key, no?
It is.
Exactly.
And there's so many.
Like, yo, sustain-
We finally, now
I
he's
like it,
now.
I don't like it.
But you eat it.
In terms of survival,
But you're gonna eat it.
I'm gonna eat some dal. And I'm gonna water it down.
It's gonna be watered
You know what I'm
down.
saying?
This one I'm making is water.
Come on.
Because it's
Dal chawal. Dal chawal.
Why you make 2 days in a row, you make things I don't like?
Bindi, I ate all of it.
I don't like bindi
I ate
either.
all of it. Bindi chawal.
Bindi, and now you making dal chawal?
Bindi is
Lava
good
comes
too.
home once and you forget about me?
Bro, what would you
Shots
want?
fired.
5-star meal?
You eat dal chawal. What are you
I don't
talking?
eat dal
Okay, so
chawal.
what do you want instead?
I want chicken kadai right now. I can always eat cheddar.
She's making halim for her channel. Uzair, you look at him. Why are you gonna eat cheddar?
Cheddar, come here. Oh, he's panicking. Do you want the cheddar wing or do you want the
He
cheddar
looks like a
neck?
fried Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Bro.
We're taking a quick little break because I totally forgot. Supposed to mention this in the video because I don't think I let you guys know yet a new fat loss challenge is available. So click the link in the description. You guys know the drill. $15. It's 30 days. You actually get 50 days, not 30 days. Everything is done at home, and if you are someone that's like not into going to gyms currently because of all the germs and stuff, this one will be perfect. You can join from anywhere in the world, and yeah, go sign up because we start on March 23rd, which is less than a week away now. So back to making dal chawal. Look at mom's fancy knife. She uses it just for her channel. But we figured out with this sharp, it's so sharp. It was so expensive. But we figured out with this knife, it's so sharp it doesn't make you cry when you cut onions. Wow, this knife is Mom, you know what you need to do? You should be your own cameraman because you're like a really good cameraman. And then you should fire Uzair.
Uszair.
Whoa, what?
Yo, they're trying to
Fire who?
I'm trying to fire you.
What? Yo,
I'm trying to fire you. I'm saying mom should be her own. What?
A coup d'etat.
What's that?
You know when there's like a revolution and they take over?
Mom,
throw the standing-
let's do revolution.
No, I'll cry.
It's a coup d'etat.
Coup d'etat.
See, you go on break and you come back and you don't own your company or your country.
Oh my god, we should do that to Uzair.
Coup d'etat.
So now you guys are gonna be hearing this noise. Now what do we do?
Medium low pe karke.
Put it on medium or low. That's a low, that's not a medium.
Then we no nothing. 10 minutes time.
Oh, time it for 10 minutes. So when you start hearing the steam coming, put it on low and then you time it for 10 minutes. Still don't touch anything
Yeah,
though.
don't touch.
So we're gonna put oil in another pan here. Should I put it on high
Yeah,
or low?
just put it high right now. It's
High.
wet too.
And put, I don't know how much.
Just eyeball it. Half cup.
Like
Bas,
half a
bas,
cup.
bas.
Okay, so enough for, we're gonna fry the half of the onions that we cut, so fry it.
Yeah.
You're not serious.
I told them that mom's teaching.
Yeah, let
That much?
Yeah, that's
What are you gonna do there?
We get this done.
yeah.
We get it done.
I don't see you filming.
Huh?
Mom has to be my filming guy.
Buddy, listen. Don't put on a
You
lipstick
get him
and
to
act
start
crazy.
filming?
What?
Yeah, when I got colored lipstick on. And now you let it go until it fries, I believe so. Anyone else quarantined? We're not quarantined yet, but we're preparing.
We're working on it.
I'm testing out the food I'm gonna make during quarantine.
During quarantine.
You look taking a holistic approach and the live cleaning. I'm like, no, sales is the most important part. Forget the rest.
Okay, and that's
then that means
that's not
it's
looking
like-
at something.
That's not.
Yeah, being in my office now.
Yeah.
It's still not done. Keep frying. So now we have 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And
You're gonna put.
we're gonna put how much water? Drain the water. And now we're gonna put this into the pot. It smells so good. Okay, so we're gonna pour the water in here. So we had 3.5 cups of rice, and so we're putting 6 cups of water.
Yeah.
Right? So you want to double the water. You want it so it's about an inch over the rice. I think that's an inch.
That's it.
1 tablespoon of salt. Now put on high. Good. Mom's cooking show. So this has been going for 10 minutes. The timer just went off. We're just going to turn the heat off. And then you have to wait till all the steam releases. So you don't touch it still.
No.
So the red thing will go down once all the steam has been released, and then it's safe to open. Back to the oil. We're gonna fry some onions now. So in another pot or pan, put about ½ cup of oil. So we're just gonna slice garlic. So we're gonna first put in the onions. Oops, it's splashing everywhere. So when the rice is like this and you see a little bit of the water is evaporated, that's when we're gonna cover it on low.
20 minutes or half an hour, depends.
Okay. And we're still trying to brown these up here. Now we're gonna put in the garlic. And now we just have to wait for the onions to brown. The onions is basically done. So then we're gonna turn this off. This thing still hasn't went down, but there's no steam being released, so I guess it's still not ready to be. So we still have to wait for this. And then the rice have to go in, are still like going for 5 more minutes. So look, the red little marker finally went down. Ooh, it's thick.
It's thick, it's fine. You can put water in it.
It's a tick. We're gonna put it on high, and then I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of the salt in, and then we also have 1 green chili. We just cut it up, just 1 medium-sized one. So now because we added the water in it, we're gonna let it reboil, and then we'll put in the rest of the stuff, and then we're done. It's been, I think, 25 minutes. Yeah, look, it looks cooked. What do you think?
Oh, Lava, you made rice.
So look, you guys have your onions in there.
And look, rice didn't break.
And the rice is good. Hey, eat a garlic from this.
Really, Lava?
This piece right here.
Ooh, this
That's
is gonna be
that's
fire.
an onion. Eat a garlic. Is it good? Ooh, I want to try.
Okay, सारा मसाला भी खा जाना.
Oh my god, Sami, you need to try this.
Okay.
So you have to try this.
Sami, come try this. Oh my god. It's crispy.
तो ये बचा नहीं उसके लिए अब.
Okay, eat a garlic and get an onion. Uzair, no for you.
उज़ैर तो पूरा खा जाएगा करते करते.
Okay. Okay, so now that this is
It's
boiling,
good, right?
pop all of this into the dal.
Yeah.
Oil and everything. Then mix it up. And now for our final touch, we're gonna put the dhania. Then just turn the heat off and we're done! We made just enough for it to... Is that satisfying or what? Does it look like rice?
It looks really good, to be honest with you.
Time to feast! You guys, do not forget to pull out the achar. And I'm sorry to any of the Indian folk here. Is this Pakistani? Yeah. The Pakistani achar is better. Does someone have to argue with me here? No, you eat it, right? But
Why are you looking at me? I'm Pakistani too.
no, because made in Pakistan.
Yo, you're good. You know why? Hyderabadi mango pickle.
Yo, you're good then. Your wife is gonna be fine.
You can have both sides. Look, it's Pakistani
and it's Hyderabadi. So yeah, you're winning.
This is like your whole relationship. Keep it.
Yeah, but you're that's your whole relationship.
It's in a nutshell. It's a mango pickle.
First, wash your hands.
That gives me corona. Beat her ass.
Why?
I'm biting you too, bro.
What?
You give me corona, I'm biting you, bro.
Why?
Ah!
Okay, so make your dal
I told
chawal.
everyone, I'm like, only mom can give me corona. That's it.
What about your papa?
Fine. My dad can
you
give me
give Corona, then what?
Yeah.
Yeah, what if you give us
Get
corona?
upset at me.
This is how Zaid pours his rice. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, right. I don't like dal chawal.
Are you stupid? It doesn't look good. Uzair,
But he is, sister.
you gotta put it with raita and then
You
achar.
made the thin stuff too, like.
You
bro.
said you like it watery. Should I
Listen,
rewind
bro,
and tell
we made
them?
it to Canada. We made it to
Osama.
Canada. We can have thicker dal.
Did he not say he liked it runny? This is giving me so much anxiety the way you're pouring
I know, look,
it.
it's dropping
You
from
see
one
the
side.
side
Oh
of
my
it?
God.
Side
yeah.
thing, get it right.
Uzair, you don't see that it's...
You can't see from that side.
It's good
Put
now.
some yogurt.
Bro, I told you, give me a wife. She would have helped me out. Now I'm here single fucking.
My job is not to find you a wife now.
Sama corona.
Oh my
It's
god.
hard, Laiba.
Lava holds
He's
the
doing it
camera.
on purpose. It's pretty good.
No, need salt.
Oh, it's all dalo.
I like it.
Literally like holding it like this, like you're gonna hit something.
How else would you hold it?
Yeah, you do look
Oh,
like.
did you say you like it?
It's like,
I do like
eat it!
This is how far I have to stay.
What is he doing? Eat it!
Eat it! That's how you hold the camera. I was like, oh my God.
Okay, now
I
watch
couldn't
how
think of
nicely
something.
Osama pours his
Yeah,
rice
tells me.
compared to Uzair pouring
Oh,
his
Zaid, you're
rice.
being rated right now.
But everyone knows I'm dumb.
Bro, this is how you get married, okay? You do like clean pouring.
Bro, there's gonna be one girl out there. She's gonna feel mad bad.
For you and be like, let me, I'm coming, bro.
Like, I got you. Don't worry.
She can if she's in another country.
Well,
She
well.
corona, yo. Don't come yet. You're gonna
Yeah,
kill our
take
whole
it
family.
right now after
You gotta
this.
wait.
Yeah, actually, we'll kick her out.
Wait till you.
Why?
Whoa, she gives us corona.
What do you mean? You have no choice.
That's true.
Do you want a wife or you want corona or you want? Like you gotta pick.
Nobody told me that's what you signed
Is
up
it-
for.
What, Corona?
Mm-hmm.
Through thick and thin, you know what they say even. I don't know.
I don't know. He's don't
Sounds
guessing
like-
it himself.
I've been married for 3 years. I don't
What
know.
they say? I don't know.
Mom, why aren't you eating?
Thick and
It's garam. I can't eat garam. They eat garam.
Oh, yo, when you mix it with the yogurt, it hits.
I keep telling you, you have to mix it with the yogurt.
Where have you been for like all
He never eats yogurt with his dal,
Why?
and that's why he hates it. I can't do
Oh.
dal chawal without
No,
yogurt.
I can't do dal chawal without
Look at, he's already like, he's.
He's salivating.
Yo, bro, take
Can you eat it? It's been 4 minutes and 58 seconds of
You're
this.
holding. Why are you like? I want to increase your.
He doesn't even care about your video. He's
I know.
watching his own shit.
Look, duty calls. That's probably Sana.
Sam, do you have any input?
Hey.
I feel like it needs salt, but otherwise it's like same as.
You
Mom.
are taking yogurt.
Oh, you have 2 thumbs up. I'm happy with it.
I'm gonna turn this vlog off here, or video off here. Try out dal chawal if you guys are trying to figure out what meals to have if you can't step out of the house. It's really delicious. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe here, my vlog channel, my entire family here on YouTube, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!